Okay, so we are continuing from our previous video, still watching the trading day for this particular stock, JPEX, and it does slowly look like it's improving. So it is approaching ever so slowly our hard resistance line. In fact, I could draw a horizontal support line. So that was earlier. And then we have another one up here. So we definitely see an improvement. It is approaching this. Will it break out? Yeah, it could break out, but the volume is very small. It's I think it's very small. It was higher earlier, and we're just past what, 1 o'clock on the trading day. I would also checked the message boards. Here's iHub for that stock. We've been there before. And if you just scroll through these messages, it just looks like a lot of positive thinking. There's no news. It's just people like, yeah, this is going to go. It's people trying to talk the stock up. That's really all that I see here. And so if you step back again and think about this, not from a technical analysis, but just doing due diligence or just news point of view, we know supposedly that right now the court situation, the legal situation has improved, and VMost at the moment can take control of the stock. But there's two things that we need to think about. Number one, they haven't. That would be news. They actually have to, I believe what I had read before is they have to refile because they're going to move the legal location of the company, and they actually have to take control of the stock, and we have to be able to see that in the Securities and Exchange Commission. Is it going to be still? I'm assuming it's still going to be JPEX. It could be no. I don't know, but they haven't done that, and furthermore, we don't know that someone else, some other parties, can file yet another suit. So until VMost has taken full control of the stock, it is not over. And so this is still, what we're seeing here is still just people hoping that we're going to get good news. And before we leave this for this video, let's think about something else. Hoping for good news. Well, what does that mean? Remember that for the little due diligence that we did do, that JPEX Global, the public company, was dormant. It was dead. There was nothing to it. The last filing in the SEC was 2019. And so then we talked about a reverse merger and how VMost is wanting to go from private to public, and it's easier if you just grab a small dormant public shell company and make it your own and so forth. But for us as traders, or perhaps swing traders or investors, that's only good news if VMost itself is a profitable company. And we looked at, we did some due diligence or some research, and we noticed that they're really a staffing company, but supposedly they had released a PR about some new product, some new software, I guess. Is that true? We never researched anymore because we went back to looking at what was going to happen this morning. So again, that remains to be seen. Is VMost a legit company? If you look at some of the bashing on the message boards, then they're going to say no. I think I'm going to stop here, and we will come back at the end of the trading day, hopefully, and do another post-mortem, I guess, and see how it went.